Good morning, children. Today theorem the basic propositional theorem or Thales theorem. Basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Theorem statement C. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect other two sides, the line is triangle ABC, intersected that line DE in distant points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now first given C, children. In triangle ABC triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Therefore, DE parallel to BC, which intersects sides AB and AC, at D and E are respectively. Next, RTP. What is RTP, children? Then other two sides are divided in the same ratio. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Children, this is the given that after this part given that this part is the RTP. RTP what? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Next, conjunction, children. In this conjunction, join B to E. Join B to E and C to D. Join BE and CD. Then draw DM, children, A on the AD line, or on the AB line. EN, take one point N. EN perpendicular to AB. AE perpendicular to P. Children. EN perpendicular to AB. Next, D2 join, take perpendicular M. DM, DM perpendicular to AC. Next, proof. Children, proof. First take area of triangle ADE is equal. Area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base AD into height EN. Next, area of triangle BD is equal to half into base BD into, this is the obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle always altitude outside, that is only height EN. Next, so area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle ADE half into AD into EN by half into BD into N. N cancel, half of cancel. This that is called AD by DB. AD by DB. Next, again, area of triangle AD equal to. Now, this base complete. Now take this base. Equal half into AE into height TM. Next, area of triangle CD equal to half into EC into what is the height? DM. Next, area of triangle AD by area of triangle CD is equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. That equal to half of cancel AE by EC. This is 2, this is 1. Who observe that triangle BDE comma triangle CDE, triangle BDE comma triangle CDE are on the same base DE, and between two parallel lines. What are two parallel lines? DE and BC and PE. Therefore, so both areas are equal. So area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CDE. This is from 1 to 3. We have it is the area of ADE, area of BDE. Area of ADE by area of CD. Both are equal than AD by DB equal AE by EC. This is children. Observe one time.